Yeah, maybe it's your internet. Maybe if you go out and come back in, it'll work better. Thank you, girl. I'm gonna do it as soon as I get off. Thanks for the gift spray. Alright, y'all, that was the last of the powder. If anybody else wants to add, you can, or we can go ahead and start rinsing. It's up to you guys. Not the party emoji. Is what dangerous? Thanks for the follow. The pine smells so good, y'all. I swear. Okay, thank you, Pinky. Yes, it's all laundry. It's about to start getting a little thick. Anybody wants to send for liquids? It's $2. Not to realize you hate Ajax. Honestly, it's not my favorite. I realized that too a long time ago, girl. Like, I don't know. I don't love the smell and I don't like the texture. I was like, lime. Try the Kayla one, because it seemed like it's been working again. I don't know. Girl, I don't know. I'm too picky. Like, I wouldn't be able to do it. I feel like men love to make up their own recipes. So I don't know, sometimes I'll be too picky to eat. I'll be like, I don't know about that. They all just take a bite. Oh wait, it's even now? What? Mayo? Definitely not. Mayo is already questionable, to be honest. And then you putting it on noodles? Is he cooking the noodles? Because I'm just too picky. It looks good. I feel like yeah, girl, like that would be my diet for real, going to jail. Okay. Okay, well if the Koreans do it, then it might be good. It might be good. No, yeah, I have a feeling, probably. Because I might end up starving for real. Thanks for the gifts, babe. I bet it seemed like a million years. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Patricia. Thanks for the 35K likes, y'all. Thank you, no collar. I told them earlier I'm 26. Yeah, honestly, like I said, 24 hours is a long time. He already knows that, so it's not a secret. Yeah, girl. Everybody would have been giving you their commissary. You're over it, Yesenia? You don't need us anymore? What'd you get her? What present did you get her? Yeah, the blue stuff is laundry powder. Oh, that's so sweet. How old is he now? Oh, okay, that's smart. Yeah, it's MMCS. Kayla MMCS. I got you. That felt complete. If any of y'all are new here, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that follow button so you never miss any of my future lives. Y'all not ready for the rinse yet? Y'all not sleepy? Ready? So we're gonna go ahead and do the rinse, y'all. Okay, thank you. Which CA worked for you? Did the Kayla CA work for you? Thanks for the gifts, man. Oh my gosh.